Guys? We are back at it with the B8 piece of shit project. Um, it's just after work, so I'm a little tired, but we're gonna try and get the whole engine out today, and hopefully on the stand tonight. And if we can do that, I'll be happy with the progress. So I hope you guys enjoy, and it's most likely gonna be a time lapse, as all the other videos are. So enjoy. I don't have any penetrating. Get these guys out now. This going to suck. Or not. I don't even think they put a gasket in there. We'll find out in a minute. This is one of my more favorite tools. It's a wobble socket. It has the universal joint already in it. Makes this job way easier. Here. Your arm. And then you realize you brought two extensions that are too long. Unfortunately, I have to rotate this engine backwards because the bent valves are so bad that I can't rotate it forward past a certain point, and I have to currently take the drive plate bolts off. So don't ever do this, but this is what I have to do. This engine's already garbage, so as far as it goes, and let me guess. I can see one, but I definitely can't. That's lighting. Definitely can't reach it. That's some bad news. Bad news bears. Unless I try to like just force it past. They're already broken. So it's not that bad. Come on. You just want to be able to see. Okay, I can see that one. Oh, I think I was rotating it the right way. Just out of habit. Just out of habit, I was rotating it the correct way, I bet. Try to show you what I'm looking at. So, can you guys get taller? There you go. So there's a hole right here. This is where your dry plate bolts. It's a weird flywheel. So this is attached to the flywheel, but this is its own torque converter kind of dry plate thing. It's easier to explain once it's all out, but I have to undo 3 bolts here, and I'm terrified that I'm not going to be able to. Come on, too tight. Oh my God, why are they so tight? Gotta be tight enough now. Almost went in the bucket. I should move that bucket. These are the bolts I'm trying to take out. Nope. And that. Only go a certain amount backwards. Yeah, that's as far as it goes. So that's a new problem. Whoop. There's 2. Might have just bent more valves, but you know what? If it works, I don't care. I'm gonna be honest to you guys. I just probably bent a valve, but I already had bent valves in this because I forced that way harder than I should have. But you know what? It's getting a new cylinder head anyways. So whatever. You gotta do what you gotta do in this situation. So basically the problem I'm having is right in there. You see that? Do you guys see that bolt right there? I have to crack that free. And to crack that free, I would need it further down. So what I'm trying to do is hammer and chisel it to crack the bolt free so I don't have to pull the tranny with the engine. Or pull the cylinder head off before the engine's out. So that's what we're gonna try and do now. Wish me luck. Not anything good. I can't get the dry plate bolts out.
Because you can't turn it around enough.
I'm on the last one, and like I can see it. I can get a wrench on it.
Shove it.
But I can't get it. I already definitely rebent a valve a different way because it gets to a point, stops, and then if you past, it's a gross feeling. But I'm on the last bolt, so.
That is good. Dennis is ready.
Okay. I'm not going to be here too much longer. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, bitch. Fuck you. No spiders. That's my faith. Okay, so, oh, wrong one. Let's rotate you guys. Okay, so I just have to take the two engine mount bolts out, and she's coming out. There's nothing holding this in anymore. So that's good. And just remember, always have a way of organizing your bolts. This is how I've done it, but I've done so many of these engines that if someone comes along and fucks all these up, I know where they go. The cardboard method where you poke holes is probably your best method, but this works for me. Just a little circle. You guys just watch and make sure nothing happens. Y'all are my backup. Hopefully I have the chain set up right. I am gonna have a problem with this. Still might not be enough room to swing it. Okay, move forward. Okay. Okay. Here. Pick you up. Go under it. Okay. We're good. It's out. Easy as that. Would have been easier if the cylinder head wasn't destroyed. Well, what can you do? Okay. little bit more. Oh, I can rotate that, I think. Okay, perfect. You son of a bitch. Okay. So, yeah. There. There we go. Off we go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the progress that we've made. We got it on the stand. I went too high. We got it on the stand here. So I'll start disassemble in the next video. And you guys know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share it to friends if you found it interesting. If you need any tips on Audis, leave a comment. I'm always willing to help. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.